Morning, thank you for tuning in. I want to show you the way I strip a rod. It's very easy. Probably gonna catch a lot of slack for this, but it's very easy. The razor blade, single edge razor blade. Don't push down on your rod with the razor blade. You'll damage the blade. Take your razor blade and just kind of slide it back and forth as if you were sanding. I like to do this because it takes the top coat off the rod. A lot of people will sand the top coat and then spray or paint the rod. And the reason I don't do that is because your paint will eventually start peeling. So I bring it down to the primer, as you see here. I'll take this whole top coat off right here. And I'll take it down to the primer. You see the whiteness on the rod? That's primer. All rods are primer. And this top coat really should come off in order for your paint to stay. And then you just work your razor blade back and forth until you get all of the top coat off of that rod. Be very careful and not to push down. Now y'all stay tuned, because we're going to call this the Southwest rod. When I get this rod stripped, I'm going to do another video as I paint it and show y'all how I put my paint on a rod and show you why they hold up. I've been doing this for 10 years, so I know they hold up. So y'all stay tuned. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Please like and subscribe. And come join me on this journey on this Southwest rod. Hey, until then, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you good people on the next one. It'll be part 2 of the Southwest rod. Till then, go fishing. Happy RVing.